my SweetieSong Pocket Fetal Doppler. User manual. Headphones so you can enjoy listening to your heartbeat by yourself. Attachment to plug into a speaker of your choice, laptop or surround sound. The jelly you'll need to use on the base of the Doppler so you can hear the heartbeat. An external speaker that is very loud, works incredibly. You hook it up via right there. Here is the cord attachment for the speaker to the Doppler. And then here is the really cute and easy to use Doppler. It is used by a battery, which is included. When using it, there's a dial right here. It goes on. You put the jelly right there on the bottom. Right now it was reading 52 and there's no heartbeat obviously, but as soon as you place it to your belly you will see it go up like that, and it's very, very accurate. I highly recommend this to any soon-to-be mommies out there. It worked incredibly for me. When I go to my OB/GYN follow-up appointments, sometimes I have difficulty finding the heartbeat right away, but with this I had absolutely no problem at all. So I hope this helps any future shoppers for this SweetieSong. Thank you.